In this video, I would like to show you how to create professional looking website like this using only ChatGPT. But before starting, just take a look at this website. This is one of the oldest websites in the internet back in the 1995, where domain names were given freely. You just need to call the register. So it's the Interrupt Technology Corporation, itccorp.com. Hopefully we will be able to do something much better today with using ChatGPT. So what you need to do is head over to ChatGPT. On the left hand side, click on Explore GPTs, search for website, click on website generator, and then start chat. So I already did that, and I asked the plugin called website generator, what can it do? So it can create website by using different website ideas. For example, I can say I want a website for my bakery, Sweet Delights. I want something else. So, kind of describe what kind of a website you would like to have, and then it will hopefully create it. I did, of course, try one example previously. So I said, I want a website for a coffee shop called Coffee Grounds. We sell coffees and pizzas, and we also have online ordering and delivery. So in a matter of seconds, it talked with a plugin called B12. This is a website builder, and it created a website. So the website that it created, Coffee Grounds, it looks like this. So of course, this is similar to WordPress or any other website builder. It added the name Coffee Grounds. We see the coffee shop here. We also see the pizza. This is nice. Yeah. Let's see there if we click on preview. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Let's see the products. Let's see if... Okay, so we have espresso shot, margarita pizza, cappuccino. We don't have a lot of product yet, but we'll get there. Okay, let's click on espresso shot. Looks pretty neat. Looks pretty neat. Yeah. Okay, so let's ask a couple of other questions. So I prepared several questions. Let's ask, create a website for my restaurant called Lucky Ducky. Restaurant has 3 Michelin stars and serves ultra quality food. We serve Wagyu beef, foie gras, almaz, caviar, and similar dishes. Let's see. Click allow. Sometimes you'll have blank screen like this, and then you just need to click once again to the plugin on the left hand side. And there you have it. Your new website for Lucky Ducky is ready. Let's click here to see what it did create. Sign up to see the website. So here we have Lucky Ducky Michelin 3-star Michelin experience. Exquisite fine dining. Looks pretty good. So here we have a couple of dishes. AI generated, I say. So we have foie gras, Wagyu beef, but pretty good. It created everything that I asked. Almaz, caviar. Yeah, let's click on Wagyu. Pretty good. Yeah. Okay, let's see the menu. We have only 3 dishes on the menu. Okay, if I was more detailed in the ChatGPT prompt, it would create all of the other dishes. However, I need to be kind of honest here. What it actually does is ChatGPT is talking with B12 editor and then updating AI inputs. Nothing much more. It's not that GPT is creating all of that website, but it actually is talking with the B12, updating all of the AI inputs, and then whatever we write, it will add to the website in a matter of seconds or minutes. So let's ask something more complicated. For example, let's ask this. So I need a professional, modern, and responsive website similar to CNN for a company called Tech Tutor. A lot of different details that I added here. So let's see if it will create all of that. Click, allow. Okay, so it says that my new website for Tech Tutor is ready. Let's click and see what is happening. Okay, I obviously have already 2 different websites. Then click on create new website. Based on this input. Okay, so we have kind of a news website. Let's click on preview. Okay, so we have kind of a news website. Let's see, view services. Okay, let's see news, breaking news. Not much happening here. Here at the front page, it actually does look pretty good. But here we don't have different news categories that I said. But then again, it's pretty easy to create, and then you can do different customizations and editing by yourself, and you can publish website, etc. As I mentioned at the beginning, this is only communicating together to create AI-based website. It's not that ChatGPT is creating, but once again, you can do that. In a free plan, you can have your website on the subdomain of b12sites.com. Then for a standard website, you have free custom domain, $16 months built yearly, $1 a month for first month. That's actually pretty good and started in the industry. I don't know what is their speed, but it looks pretty good, pretty neat, and the pages are very responsive. So yeah, this is how you can create different websites automatically using ChatGPT, connecting with different websites builder. I hope you did like this video, and if you did, please do like, share, subscribe, whatever you'd like to do with it. Have a great day. Bye bye.